मैम अभी मेरे तरफ में पूरा 10 मिनट में पूरा समराइज कर लिया। अभी आप क्या चाहते हो और what is it you're looking from HLS? You have come all the way from Pune.
Yes, yes.
So what are your expectations from us?
And my expectation is that my child has to become CA. First thing is that. And I know that कि you will मतलब आप सब करवा के ले लोगे उससे, वही मेरे को विश्वास है कि when I came here बहुत पॉजिटिविटी है कि वो हो जाएगा करके. He want a support, he want your mentorship.
Understood. So अभी पूरा प्रोसेस देखने के बाद है ना, अभी आपको लग रहा है कि अगर यहाँ पे 3-4 महीने रहेगा तो
yes sure it will be sure.
आपको क्या डिफरेंस है मैम घर में पढ़ने के लिए और दूसरा कोचिंग सेंटर में पढ़ने से यहाँ आने के लिए? मतलब if it comes here, what do you think is the difference?
The difference is that कि वहाँ पे जब बच्चा अकेला बैठ के पढ़ता है, he sit alone and he sit, his mind diverted. When he'll come here, you will be on some mentorship, you will give him mentorship, you will give him some कि ये इतना करना है आज, revision will be there, you will give him the target that you have to complete within this 10 days, 8 days, whatever. So he will complete it. At home he is like अपना खुद का है, कभी भी करूँ, कभी भी कर लूँगा. Who is going to ask me? It is like that. So they don't study according to their level.
Yes.
मतलब मेरे को इतना they are not following that table planning. You said ना.
Yes.
Planning they do. Implementation is not happening.
Yeah, right.
That is the main difference. And the time is going on like that only. And when the exams come, then you hush and rush that.
Okay.
Nothing is completing that.
You explained the problem better than us in a way. So she made it very simple as a mother. That's the perspective. So when one thing she hasn't kept on saying is, if you don't have a very strict routine, they'll be a bit casual.
Yes.
So this time just gets
Running away.
Yes. Sir, what is your perspective? So, आपको क्या लगता है?
Once he comes here, he will get the different culture because at the home it will be some relaxed type culture and everything will be there. And even though we have provided him separate room or other things, wherever he goes, he should concentrate what we have to do for these 6 months or whatever. Unless and until his goal is not fixed, whether it is very good mentor or whatever it is, finally they can only support him. They can solve all the problems. Finally, he has to grasp that.
Right. So with that intent, once he gets that right intent, and if you think if he spends the next 3-4 months with us, are you confident of?
Yeah, I am confident. Yes, I am confident that he will get it.
So you're confident about the process, the place, and the process. Thank you, sir. Sir, आपको क्या लगता है? अभी तो नया है, प्रोसेस पूरा अभी तक ये न्यू ही है. आपको अभी कैसा लगता है?
अभी हमको आपका ये मैं देखा तो मैं स्कूल कम गया था, ये तो पहले बोलना चाहिए. मैं 5 तक पहुंच गया था स्कूल में. उसके रिकॉर्डिंग करेगा तो हमको भी मुश्किल है अभी. ज़्यादा बात नहीं करने का मुश्किल है. लेकिन हमको मालूम हो गया अभी आपको ये स्कूल बराबर चलते हैं. इंशाल्लाह कस्टमर आपको ज़्यादा आ जाएगा. और ये हमको समझा पास आपको विद्या बोलने जोड़ने के लिए अब बिल्कुल अच्छा, ये हमको समझा. इतना बात कर रहे हैं बस. भाई बोलेगा बच्चा बोलेगा अच्छा बोलेगा. मैं ज़्यादा.
So, do you think if you follow the process, you saw how our previous students have followed it. Now, do you think if you follow the process for the next 100 days, where you're looking at?
Actually, I was planning execution part was not there. So
now you understand the difference.
Yeah, understood.
Once you come here, the execution part and implementation part can be improved.
Yes, sir.
So you're willing to take up the challenge?
Yes, sir.
Very sure. Keshav, so finally, your parents are expecting that you'll become PA Keshav this November. So what do you think?
Yes, sir. If the proper routine, if the proper mindset, and by studying focus and consistently, it will be not very difficult to clear the examinations.
Yes. So do you think the ecosystem is going to offer you enough resources to become a CA?
Yes, the ecosystem and the overall positivity and the overall environment would give a lots of boost for the studying and the preparation.
Perfect. And your father has rightly said, ultimately it boils down to the student. No matter how much support parents give or how much support mentors give, because they come all the way from Maharashtra and they come all the way from Kerala. It takes so much time and effort for someone to remove their weekend off the family. So massive respect for both of them, and my gratitude for trusting us so much. But then eventually it boils down to students. But here we form a triangle, ma'am. Parents, students, mentors, तीनों मिला के एक टीम जैसा काम किया तो हो जाएगा. एक ही इंसान कर रहे तो नहीं हो रहा है ना, पूरा टीम मिला के कर लिया तो. एंड सबसे अच्छा बात क्या है ना, वो बच्चा क्लियर करने के लिए 100% ऑफ प्योर एफर्ट एंड इंटेंशन इज गिवन बाय पेरेंट्स. आपका इमोशनल ब्लेसिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड हम सिंस वी हैव वेरी लिमिटेड स्टूडेंट, 3 बजे 4 बजे 5 बजे से काम करते हैं ना, सो हमको कोई डिविएशन भी नहीं है, पूरा इसके ऊपर फोकस कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए वी आर एबल टू प्रोड्यूस दिस अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. सो दैट वे वी आर लकी टू हैव पेरेंट्स हु आर ट्रस्टिंग अस एंड स्टूडेंट्स हु आर विलिंग टू फॉलो द प्रोसेस. So if you think you're stuck in your final journey or inter journey at any professional course, if you understand the context of the conversation, you can always feel free to come and visit us. But please understand that it's not the end of the day. Even if you have failed for 10 attempts or 12 attempts like Prashant, you can still clear CA. So you're just one more attempt away from becoming a chartered accountant or cost accountant, and that is the context of the conversation. Thank you, Manju, for recording this one.